In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can change the default layout whenever you're making a sheet in Excel. So in Excel, there are three different kinds of layouts. There's one that we have in right now, which is a normal layout, and there's another one called your page layout preview, and another one called the page break preview. And I'm highlighting these in the bottom right corner because you can just click them and the default layout will change. And whenever you go to make a new sheet in Excel, it defaults to be just a normal one. But you can actually change the setting to where it will make a new sheet and be the page layout preview or the page break preview. So to do this, you just go to File, all the way down to Options, and then under General, you're going to want to go down a little bit, and it says when creating new workbooks, default view for new sheets, page break preview, for example, then click OK. Now whenever I make a new sheet, it's going to be in the page break preview. And or go back, File, Options, and then in General, default view for new sheets, let's just say page layout preview. Click OK. And now whenever I make a new sheet, it's in the page layout preview. So that said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.